Hello, family. Isaiah 43, verses 18 and 19 tells us to forget the former things and not to dwell in the past. God says, "See, I am doing a new thing." New things are scary. If you recall the time of the Israelites coming out of Egypt, they would have rather gone back. They were complaining about the wilderness and said, "Look, Egypt was better," because they didn't know this new thing that God was doing. And it takes a lot of courage to be able to leave what you know into the wilderness and step into what God has prepared for you. It can be scary, but that's where the freedom is. And I've been battling a lot with the new thing because God is constantly trying to tell me, can you tap into this new thing that I'm doing, this new way of thinking, this new way of creativity that I want you to get into? But because we're stuck in the old ways, we then get frustrated when God is showing us a brand new thing. Yeah, there's a temptation to keep doing the thing that you've known, I suppose. But He wants to elevate you. He wants to do a new thing in your life. So are you ready to embrace the new? Because now shall it come forth.